sounds and wheel swaps. Well, there's proper mags for a buff one Mustang. Mastio. Yeah. Let's swap number 2 today. A lot of time on my hands. My mobility problems, health issues. Yeah, so lots of other projects on it. And this is Wheel Swap Park. Next 4x4. Yeah, those are really groove. Mod my rod or ride. Sorry, mod my ride. That's where I got those mags. I didn't realize that had like really speckly paint. Try this for him. And still haven't decided what I'm going to do with that one yet. I don't want to give that guy. Yeah. And I have to share again, even though I showed it before. My happiest wheel swap. I had low spoke mags on it, so I gave the mags on that one to this, and I gave that one other ones. So I think that's a fair swap. Even though it's authentic mag, will be given to another car.